Okay, let's talk about matrices. So we'll try to describe what's a matrix, perform matrix arithmetic, transposition, and some 0 to 1 matrices. So what is a matrix? What is a matrix? Hmm? Yeah, yeah. Okay. So matrices are useful discrete structures that can be used in many ways to describe certain types of functions in linear transformations. Its matrices are also used uh, for uh, graph theory. Uh, discuss natin yan later on if we have time. And we will see that matrices are used to build the models of transportation system, communication network. Paano nangyari na yung matrix ay nagagamit siya for transportation system and communication networks. So there are algorithms based on matrix models that we will cover. Okay, matrix arithmetic as well. Okay, so what is a matrix? So it is an array, it's a rectangular array of numbers. Kita nyo dun sa example sa baba. So 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, so 3 meaning 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 columns matrix, 3 by 2. So a matrix with m rows and n columns is called an m by n or m by n matrix. So matrices is the plural of matrix, and with the same number of rows as column is called a square matrix. The two matrices are equal if they have the same number of rows and the same number of columns, and the corresponding entries in every position are equal. Okay. So, yan ang notation niya. Ano? So, meron kang bracket na nag-enclose doon sa values mo sa matrix. Meron concept of rows and columns. And the notation for matrices, so let m and n be positive integers, and the matrix A, so ito siya. Mapapansin niyo meron siyang subscript, no? 1, 1, 1, 2. It means first column, first row, or first row, first column, no? First row, second column. First row, nth column. So it's the second one. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. And then, ellipsis. Oh, ito yung kanyang cell, or yung element. Oh, second row, nth column. And ellipsis goes up to the last row, which is M, no? Mth row, or the last row, first column. Last row, second column. Last row, last column. Okay? So, the ith row of A is the 1 by n matrix. Okay? Ith row. Kukuha na lang niya yung isang buong row. Okay? Then, So the jth column of A is M by 1 matrix, no? So ito naman yung column naman, no? Which is the first column, okay? Then buong column na yan, ano? First row, jth column. Second row, jth column, and then last row, jth column, okay? Then how do we get the specific cell or element or entry, okay? So we specify it by using its indices, no? Yung I or and the j, no? I means for the row, no? Yung j naman, it signifies the column, no? I j element or entry of matrix A is the element A sub I j. So we can use A, the matrix A is equals to ij to denote the matrix with its ij element equal to that entry or element at ij position. Now, how do we add matrices? No? We can add matrices by, although, syempre may rules, no? Syempre dapat yung size ng matrices ay similar, no? So uh, let hello, may pumasok. Hello, Kyla. Good morning. Hello, Kyla. Good morning. Hello. Yan, nire-record ko kasi ano para hello, nadidinig ako? Tuloy natin yung matrix arithmetic. So, ang definition, so let matrix A with the ij size and then matrix B with ij size be m by n matrices, no? The number of rows and then the number of columns matrices. The sum of matrix A and matrix B denoted by matrix A plus matrix B is the m times n o m by n, ano? O m by n, sorry. M by n matrix that has A plus B, with the same sizes, of columns and row as its I and j element. In other words, so we can add matrix A and matrix B, no? So in this notation, no? So the number of elements of A and J, A sub I and J plus the number of elements of matrix B sub I sub J, no? Okay, so we have here two matrices, no? So 3 by 3 matrix is a square matrix. You'll notice nandun sa loob yung kanyang mga values. Okay, it's a simple arithmetic. Okay, so dapat ang pag-add lang natin sa kanya yung position niya. Okay, so yung position niya, that will be the the location ng values, no? So na magiging sum niya. Okay, so 1 plus 3, which is 4. Okay, 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. Negative 1 plus negative 1 is equals to negative 2. So dun tayo sa second row, 2 plus 1, that's 3. Second column, second row, 2 plus negative 3 is equals to negative 1. Negative 3 plus 0 equals to negative 3. So third row tayo. First column, 3 plus negative 1, that's 2. Second column of the third row, 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. Okay? So yun ang rule doon. Ano? Dapat ito ay parehas ng size ng matrix. Okay? We can also perform multiplication. Okay? So sa multiplication naman, so you will notice dito sa example niya, no? Magkaiba yung size niya. This is how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, no? And then 4 rows, 4 by 3. 4 rows by 3 columns. Ito naman, ang isang matrix ay 3 rows by 2 columns lang. And you will notice naman dun sa product niya, ito ay naging 4 rows by 2 columns. Okay, bakit nangyari yon? Okay, so tingnan natin yung definition. So the definition is, so there can be a matrix A, or let A be M by X matrix. Okay, and matrix B be a K by N matrix. So the product of matrix A and B denoted by AB, no? Pinag-combine siya, is the M by N matrix that is ijth element equal to the sum of the products of the corresponding elements of the ith row. Okay? And the jth column of B. So, in other words, yung bawat element dyan, i-multiply mo, and then, so yan, no? So, what will happen here is, yung bawat element na nandito, we will get the summation of the product of each elements, no? Ayan. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, gagawin niya dito, i-multiply niya muna yung first element, okay? First, yung row times the first row and then the jth column, no? So, ang mangyayari dito, ito kuha na niya muna to, multiply niya dito sa row. So, bakit ganon? Pansin nyo, meron similarity, no? Yung number of columns is equal to the number of row. Okay? So, kung babalikan natin yung definition niya, let matrix A be an M by K matrix. Pansinin yung K na yun, ano? Yun ang, dyan, susi dyan. And the matrix B be a K by N matrix. Meaning, yung K na yon, parehas sila ng value, no? So, you can only multiply two matrices which has the same, K, So, dun sa first matrix, dapat yung K niya o yung number of columns niya is equal to the number of rows dun sa isa pang matrix bago mo siya ma-multiply. Okay, nag-gets nyo ba yan? Ulitin ko, ano? So, yung number of rows nito, first matrix, wala siyang bearing, ano? Ang mahalaga dyan, yung number of columns niya. Dapat equal siya dun sa number of rows, no? That is the K ng kabilang matrix, okay? Kasi kung hindi sila equal, hindi mo yan pwedeng i-multiply, okay? So, again, so the product of matrix A and matrix B denoted by AB, okay, is the M by N M by N matrix, that ito yung result niya, M by N matrix. So, yung M, the number of rows, tapos yung N, okay, ng kabilang matrix, kuha na niya yan. So, that is 4 rows and then 2 columns. So, yung product niya, yun nga, tama nga. So, 4 rows and then 2 columns. Yun ang kanyang product ng matrix, no? So, the product of two matrices is undefined when the number of columns in the first matrix is not the same as the number of rows in the second. Kaya yun nga yung susi doon. So, makakapag-perform ka lang ng matrix multiplication kapag na-satisfy yung property na yon. Okay? Kasi kung i-compare natin siya doon sa matrix addition, okay? So, sa matrix addition, ang rules naman dito ay dapat parehas yung kanyang sizes, no? M by N matrices, no? So, dapat ang number of rows and then the number of columns of both matrices ay equal, So, the matrices of different sizes cannot be added. Okay? So, sa matrix multiplication naman, iba naman ang rule. Okay? Dito ang rule, dapat yung number of columns niya, okay, is equal doon sa number of rows ng matrices. So, matrix A, yung number of columns niya should be equal to the number of rows doon sa matrix B. Okay? Yun ang susi dito sa multiplication of matrices. Okay? So, I will, babalik tayo doon kasi magre-record ako, no? So, that is matrix multiplication. Now, let's illustrate how do we perform the matrix multiplication. So, the product of matrix A and matrix B with these sizes, okay? So, this is matrix A and then this is matrix B. Mapapansin nyo kanina, merong K, no? Meron tayong K, which is the number of columns, no? So, how many columns and then how many rows? No? Yung M, the number of rows. The K is the number of columns, no? Dun sa first matrix. Dun sa second matrix, so yung first, yung column, which is K, okay? That is similar to the, yung row niya pala, sorry. Yung row of matrix B is equal to the number of K columns dun sa matrix A, no? And then N columns naman dito sa matrix B. So, ang mangyayari dito ay i-multiply niya muna. Okay? Yung first row, first column, multiplied by first row, first column. Okay? Multiply niya muna yan. Then, plus. I-add niya yung second row, first row, second column. Okay? Times, dito naman, doon sa second row, first column. Okay? Multiply niya yan. Okay? And then, hanggang sa makarating siya sa dulo. So, ang value dito is yung the first row, last column multiplied doon sa first row, last column multiplied to the last row, first column of the second matrix. So, kukuha niya yung sum ng lahat ng product na yon, okay? And then that will be the value of the first, no? Okay? Ito siya. And then, sulod-tulod lang, proceed siya dun sa second. Okay? Hanggang sa matapos niya. Okay, let's do some example. Okay? Sorry. So matrix multiplication is not commutative. Hindi pwedeng pagpalitin, ano? So thus AB is equal to BA. Okay? Solution. Okay? So is A times B equal to B times A matrix? Hindi. Okay? Teka lang. O, kailangan natin ng demonstration ito eh. So, matrix multiplication animation. Okay. So let's so this is m by n, ano? 2 rows, 2 columns, no? By and multiplied doon sa 2 rows, 3 columns. Okay. Paano natin maisosolve ito? So yan. So 1, 2, then 5, 8. Okay? So, i-multiply niya muna. 1 times 5 plus 2. 2 times 8. Okay. Yan, tayo magana to. Okay. So, like tayo dito sa example and then open ko na itong paint para makapagsulat ako. Okay. So, meron meet dito. Dali lang. Wait lang. So we have here, titinig niyo ako? Matrix A. 1, 2, 3, 0, and 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 0, 2. Okay. And then we have matrix B, which is equals to this matrix 2, 4, 1, 1, 3, 0. Okay. So, ang size nito ay this is 4 row by 3 column. Okay. Naman B is 3 row by 3 column. Okay. Ito yung M. Okay. This one is yung K. Okay. It's yung K. Ito naman yung N. K by N matrix. M by K matrix. Okay. So, ang magiging result nito is supposed to be is M by N matrix, no? Magiging this is supposed to be M by N. Okay? So, M by N ang size nitong matrix na to. Okay? So, again, so kung ilan yung row 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Then yung column niya, yung column muna, yung first row muna ang kukuhanin natin dito. Okay? So, what we'll do here, okay, is 1, okay, ito yun, times 2 plus 0 times 1. Okay? Saan nakuha yan? 0 times 1. Then 4 times 3. Okay? Plus 4 times 3. Ilan yun? Okay? That is, this is 2 plus 0 plus 12. Okay? This is 12, 2, 0. So that is 14. Okay? So para dun lang sa first item na yon, okay? Ano ba lakayin yung ano? Okay. So para lang dun sa first item na yon, 14. Oops. Ano ba yung ating? We have 14. Okay? At we will proceed. So makita ninyo, no, makuha pa lang yung first element or first entry, madami, no? So we will try to solve it lahat, ano, pagkatapos after no? Next record ko ulit. Okay, again, hindi kayo sasabi eh, hindi pala nakikita. Ano ba ito mula? Ayan. Okay, ito. Again, galing ko muna to. So we have here yung matrix A and then matrix B. Okay? So ito yung mga properties or yung mga elements doon sa matrix A and matrix B. And we will get a product with matrix C. Okay? Okay, paano natin makukuha? Is by yung operation niya para makuha mo yung first or yung first element ito is yung summation of the product of yung ij, no? So that is 1 point so 1 times 2, okay, and then plus 0 times 1. Nakuha yun. 0 and 1, okay, plus 4 times 3. So, minumultiply niya yung row times the column. Okay? That is 4 times 3. So, that is 12. Okay? 0 and then 2. So, that will be 14. Okay? So, yun pa lang yung first column. Okay? That is, isa ko dito ay 4. Oh, sorry. This is 1, 14. Okay? Ito pala yung first column. Okay? And then, yung multiply first row doon sa dito, second column. No? 1 times 4, okay? Plus 0 times 1, okay? Plus 4 times 0, which is the 4 ito. Okay? So 0. And then 0. So meaning, ito ay magiging 4 na lang. Okay? That's why yung oops, ano ba yan? Ito ay 4. Okay? Now, natapos na natin yung first row. No? Punta na tayo sa second row. So 2 times, i-record ko ba? So 2 times um, second row times yung first column and then second row, second column. So 2 times 2 plus ilan? Then next is 1 times 1 plus 1 times 3. Okay? That is 4, 1, and then 3 equals to how much? That's 8. Okay? So that is 8. So ay 8. Okay? Naman, and oops. So 2 times 4 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 times 0. Saan nakuha yan, sir? So ito nga, 4, 1, 0, and then 2, 1, 1. 2 times 4, which is 8. 1, 1, and then 0 is 9. Okay? Kaya ang sagot dito ay 9. So tapos na tayo sa second row. Punta na tayo sa third row. Okay? So ito, multiplied. So that is 3 times 2 plus 1 times 1 plus 0 times 3. Okay? That is 6, 1, and then 0, which is 6 plus 1 plus 0 equal to 7. Okay, burahin ko lang to. Okay, then brush. 7. Okay? And then, third row, multiply dun sa second column, which is 3 plus 1 times 1 plus 0 times 0, which is 12 plus 1. Okay? That is 13. So, yung sagot dyan ay 13. Oops. I need the pen. And then, punta na tayo dito sa last row. Okay? 0 times yung first column. Okay? 0 times 2 plus 2 times 1 plus 2 times 3 equals to, that's 0, that's 2, that's 6, 2 plus 6, that's 8. Okay, so our answer here is 8. And we will now perform this, no? 0 times 4 plus 2 times 1 plus 2 times 0, which is 2. Okay? So, ang answer natin dito, nakuha natin yung matrix C, okay, is 2. And dapat naka-include siya dyan. Okay, parehas ba ng value? Tignan natin. Para siya, no? 14, 4, 8, 9, 7, 13, 8, and 2. Okay? May question ba? May, okay. Kaya niyong gawin yan sa program? Pag ipoprogram nyo? Kaya niyo i-program, gagawa kayo ng program that can perform the matrix multiplication. Have you tried that? Magandang exercise yun. Siguro gawin natin siyang assignment, ano, para ma-practice nyo. Okay? We will proceed doon sa another slide. Yung property ng commutativity. Is it equal? No? Or not? Okay. So, pinapakita niya dito is let's ano, perform yung A, yung multiplication of A and B. Okay? So, ito yung ating matrices. A, 2 by 2 square matrix sila. Okay? So, mangyayari nito ay 1 times 1 plus, sorry, 1 times 2 pala. 1 times 2. Yung sa B matrix, 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. Okay? So, saan nakuha yan? Ito yung first row, first column, times first row, first column, then, yan, which is 2 plus 1. Okay? Oops. Ulitin natin. Ulitin. Pen. Okay? Equal ba sila? So, kuha natin yung 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. Okay? And then 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1. Okay? And then, dito naman sa baba, 2 times 2 plus 1 times 1. And then, yung last one, 2 times 1 plus 1 times 1. Okay? So, what happens here is that that will become 2 plus 1, okay, 1 plus 1, and then 4 plus 1, and then 2 plus 1. It will be 3, 5, then 2, and 3. Ito yung AB. Okay? Now, lakayan natin yung space natin. Paano naman sa BA? This is AB. A times B. What about yung B and A? Is equals to, this is, ito siya, no? Ito, hindi tayo mag-umpisa. 2 times 1 plus 1 times 2. Paano nangyari yun? Ito, first row times first column ng matrix A kasi BA naman eh. Okay? And then, uh, 2 times 1, yung second column naman ng A, no? Plus 1 plus 1. Oh, sorry. 1 times 1. This should be multiplication. Product lang yan. Okay? And then, yung second column. Okay? 1 times first column. 1. So, this identity matrix and powers of matrices. Okay? Ay, parang hindi na nag-record. Ito yung kanina, hindi na nag-record. So, ito yung pinrove natin kanina na yung A, B, multiplication of matrix of AB, the product of AB is that equal to BA. Okay? Then, proceed tayo sa definition that order n is the n by n matrix. Okay? Okay? Wherein delta J, delta J I sub ij is equals to 1, and if I is equals to j, then delta sub I and j is equals to 0, even though I is not equal to j. Ito yung identity nito. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, sa value ng matrix niya, meron siyang pattern. Ano? Okay? Yung values niya, 1 or 0 lang. Ano? Tapos, yung sa diagonal, puro 1 yun. Otherwise, 0 na lahat. No? Okay. Powers of square matrices can be defined when A is an n by n matrix. We have A to the power of 0 is equals to identity matrix. Okay. A and the power of a identity matrix R is equals to ito, yung A times A dun sa R times, no? Dapat square matrices lang yun. Kasi Hmm, hindi mo yun pwede sa ano, uneven row and columns, no? So, we can also transposition, okay? How do we transpose matrix, sorry. So, let matrix A equals to the size of the matrix with I column, I row, and j column. It is be an m by n matrix of a matrix A denoted by superscript A. Yan, is no? Is the n by n matrix na napalit, no? Nag-swap siya. Ang original is m by n. Kapag nag-transpose ka, n by n matrix siya. Ano mangyayari? So, interchange the row and the column. Okay? So, when you transpose the example, oh, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ang nangyayari dito, yung, yung row niya ay naging column. Okay? Napansin niyo? Yung first row becomes, yung naging column siya, no? Yung second row niya, naging second column. Okay? If you transpose a matrix A, okay, so then B, the element of the, the entry B, first row, first column, is the uh, yung column row for row and column. Nag-swap sila, ano, okay? Kung gaano kalaki yung columns dun sa original matrix, yun ang magiging size ng row. Ilan yung row doon sa original, that will be the column, the transpose. Now, uh, as we met meet the matrix, okay? And uh, it is meant if the row and then and then uh, pag push na what is it, okay, row A and B with okay, but is just also and is the liquid and G where makes the change when the rows and columns are interchanged, no? Hindi nagbabago kasi square lang siya, eh, no? At ito, itong tinatawag na met kapag tinranspose niya. Kasi kung let's try natin i-transpose. Okay. So, 1, ito yung ano, 1, 0, oh, sorry. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay? Ito yung matrix A. And then, ito naman yung transpose. Okay? So, yung Yung row, magiging column siya. 1, 1, 0. Tapos na natin yung first row. Second row, 1, 0, 1. Okay? Third row, 0, 1, 0. Okay? Equal mo sila. Symmetric siya, no? So, when it is symmetric, kapag tinranspose mo siya, kapag ita-transpose mo tong uh, transpose A, okay, is equal to A. Okay? Ayan. Okay. There's another property. So, 0, 1 matrices. So, what's this? So, a matrix, all of whose entries are either 0 or 1 is called 0, 1 matrix. Okay? Algorithms operating on discrete structures presented 0, 1 matrices based on the Boolean arithmetic defined by the Boolean operations. No? So, pwedeng magkaroon ng Boolean arithmetic tayo dito uh, sa matrices. Okay? Okay, B sub 1 and B sub 2 will only be 1 or 2 if B sub 1 is equals to B sub 1 is equals to 1. No? If they are both true, otherwise, no. Okay, for naman. So, 1 and B will become 1 if either B, B sub, okay, Boolean product of 0, 1 matrices. Okay, how do we perform this Boolean product? Ito rin ay ano eh, para rin siyang matrix multiplication. However, uh, ibang operation na gagamitin natin. Boolean product. Okay? So, let matrix A be an M by K 0, 1 matrix and B be a K by N 0, 1 matrix. Ito na naman yung, ano, yung K na yan. Ano? So, yun ang susi dito. Parang dun sa ano, matrix multiplication. However, kapag Boolean product ang gagawin natin, we will use yung and or. Okay? Hindi kagaya ng sa matrix multiplication. It's a summation of the product. No? Ito naman, it's the disjunction of the conjunctions of uh, entries. Okay? Perform niyo muna yung conjunction and then afterwards, perform naman niya yung disjunction. Okay? Para makuha. Ang thing is the Boolean product of matrix A and B. Merong circle and dot. Okay? Boolean matrix and B where matrix and then this is the B matrix. So the number of row, okay, is equal to the number of columns, no? So, ito naman. So yung number of columns niya is equals to the number of row niya. Kasi yung K ang mahalaga dito. Okay? So let's proceed with the answer. Okay? Boolean product of matrices A and B is, again, okay, ayan, nag-conjunction Okay? 1 and 1 or 0 and 0. And ang mangyayari nun, 1 or 0. Kaya ang value 1. Ito naman, column 1 and 1 or 0 and 1, which is 1 or 0. That is 1. Okay? Sa last column, 1 and 0 or 0 and that's 0 or 0, which is 1. Then here, 0 and 1. Okay? And 0, which is 0. Okay? Second column, second row, 0 and 1 or 1 and 1. Okay? That is 0 and 1, which is 1. Okay? 0 and 0 or 1 and 1, which is 0, 1. We find the value. Then third row, 1 or 0 and 0, which is 1 or 0, which is 1. 1 and 1 or 0 and 1, that is 1 or 0, which is 1. 1 and 0 or 0 and 1, which will be 0 or 0. Find 0. Nag-perform ka lang ng Boolean product. Okay? So, may similarity siya dun sa, sa matrix multiplication. But, ang ginamit niya ng mga operator ay yung conjunction and disjunction. Okay? Kasunod kayo dyan, ito yung notation niya. So, meron siyang circle, then dot. Matrix multiplication. Magkatabi lang yung A and B. Diba yun? Ito naman, pag may circle dot, that's a Boolean product of matrices. Okay? Now, Boolean power. Okay. So, Boolean powers of 0, 1 matrices. No? So, let matrix A be a square 0, 1 matrix and let R be a positive integer. The R, power of the power of R, Boolean power of matrix A, the Boolean product of R factors of A, denoted by A to the power of R. Okay? So, magkakaroon ng Boolean product of A, no? Multiple times. How many times? R times, no? So, we define that A to the power of R to be the identity. And the Boolean product is well defined because the Boolean product of matrix is associative. Okay. Example, Boolean powers of 0, 1 matrix. Okay. So, let matrix A, okay, ito ang ating matrix A. Now, find A, 3 by 3, so square matrix. Matrix A to the power of n for all positive integers. Okay. Oh, for all positive integers. Gawin, ang isa muna is I, to the power of 2, no? To the power of 2. So, Boolean product of 2A, no? So, what will be the answer here? So, ipo-perform niya yung yung operation kagaya nito. Okay, kung gaano. So, magpo-perform siya ng kagaya ng kanina. Okay? Ito. So let's try this. A squared. Ay. A bullet product of A is equals to, puntahan natin kung ano ba yung A. Ito yung A. Ano? Okay? So, first row times first column. Okay? Ay, sorry. Uh, 0 and first first column. Ano? 0. Okay? And what will happen here, dun sa pangalawa, or naman, ano? And then, 0 and 1. Yun. Okay? Or the last column dun sa first row, 1 and 1. Okay? Para makuha natin yung ano niya, first niya. Pala. And, okay. This is 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0. Or 1 and 1. Okay? Then yung first row, third uh, column. First row times the third column naman. Okay? That is 0 times, sorry, 0 and 1. Or 0 and 0. Okay? And 1 or 0. 0. Okay. So, haba, ano? So, nakuha na natin yung first row, which is, this is 0, 0, 1. This is 1. 0, 0, 1. And then, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Kuha na natin yung first column. Now, dito tayo sa second row. Multiply natin sa ito. First column, tapos second column, tapos third column. Okay? 0, 0. Okay? Disjunction. Oops, sorry. It should be 1 pala. Kasi 1 ang umpisa. No? Dito na tayo second column. 1 and 0. 1 and 0, 1, 1. Okay? 0. Kalito na. So, yung second row, dito sa second row, multiply natin sa first column. Okay? Si 1, 0, Oh, this is 1. Okay, and then lastly 0 and 1. Okay, then yung second row ulit 1, multiply mo na, product mo ng second column. Okay, 0 or 0 or 0 and 0 or 1, and then again second column times the third column. So 1 and 1 or 0 and 0 or 0 and 0. Okay, what's the value here? 1, 0, that's 0, 0, 0. 0 lahat yan. Second, 0, 0, 0. 0 lahat yan kasi conjunction eh. So, meron ditong 1. Pwede na yun basta may 1. Okay? And then lastly, yung third row na. Third row, that is, sorry, hindi mo na. So, first, 1 and 0 or 1 and 1, sorry. 1 or 0 or 1. And then 1, second na tayo, no? Third row times sa second column. 1 and 0 or 1 and 0 or 0 and 1. And then lastly, 1 and 1 or 1 and 0, and then let's jump 0 and 0. Okay, so that is 0, 1, o merong 1. Nag-exist na 1, so that's 1. So dito naman, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Then 1, meron ng 1 dito, so that follows 1 na. So ito ay a to the power of the 2. Okay? So haba ano? Kuhanin mo lang yung power of 2 of matrix. So mahabang operation ano. Okay? So that's it for today. Ang lesson natin ngayon is about matrices, no? So hanggang dyan muna ang ating lecture for today. So ang ating is yung matrices. Okay? We perform yung transformation power of matrix. Oh, yung mga ano eh, wala yung subtraction. Pwede naman kasi yun, subtraction. So, nakita natin yung matrix subtraction. So, for example, We have here matrix lang. Dapat same din yung size ano. Then we have B, matrix B. 1, right? Okay. If you perform yung matrix addition, okay? So 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay? 2 plus 5 that's 7. Okay? 1 plus 2 that's 3. And then 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay? So if we do subtraction, okay? So 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 5 that's negative 3. 1 minus 2 that's negative 1. And then 2 minus 3 that's negative 1. Okay? B minus A naman. So 1 minus 3 that's negative 2. 5 minus 2 that's 3. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So magkaiba siya. So we can perform also yung matrix subtraction, you know. So merong matrix multiplication, merong matrix addition, and then meron ding matrix subtraction. Then meron ding power.